Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what goes on in the mind of Elon Musk, the man who's determined to take humanity to the stars? Well, buckle up because Elon Musk just revealed something that no one can explain. Get ready to be amazed. Musk, the world's richest man and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is known for his ambitious plans and futuristic visions. Apart from his insane yet fascinating projects, there's one more thing that makes him stand out: his dream of making humans an interplanetary species. But why is Musk so eager to get us off Earth? What's driving his Martian mission? Curious to find out? Stay tuned as we dive into Musk's mind and his incredible plans for our future among the stars. Elon Musk is a name synonymous with innovation and ambition. As the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, he has already revolutionized the electric car industry and private space travel. But Musk's vision goes far beyond these achievements. He dreams of a future where humans are not confined to Earth but are exploring and living on multiple planets. His ultimate goal? To make humanity an interplanetary species. But why does Musk want humans to leave Earth so badly? It's not just about exploration or adventure. Musk believes that for humanity to survive in the long run, we must expand our horizons and establish colonies on other planets. This idea might sound like science fiction, but for Musk, it's a crucial step towards ensuring our species' survival. So, what exactly does it mean to be an interplanetary species? In simple terms, it means that humanity would not rely solely on one planet for survival. Instead, we would inhabit multiple worlds, ensuring that if something catastrophic happened to one planet, the human race would still survive. Think of it like having multiple backups for your important file. If your computer crashes, you still have your files safely stored elsewhere. Similarly, by becoming an interplanetary species, we create a safety net for humanity. If Earth were to face a global catastrophe, our species wouldn't be wiped out because we'd have other planets to call home. But wait, isn't this idea straight out of a sci-fi movie? Why would everyone on Earth die, and how is Musk so sure about it that he's spending billions on making us interplanetary? Hold that thought as we explore Musk's rationale behind this grand vision. Elon Musk's fascination with Mars is no secret. He's been vocal about his plans to establish a self-sustaining city on the Red Planet. But what's driving this obsession? To get a clearer picture, let's dive into an interview Musk had with Kara Swisher at the Code Conference in 2021. During the interview, Musk outlined his space plans, which include a self-sustaining city on Mars and a base on the Moon. When Swisher asked if Musk himself would go to space, he replied, "I suppose I will at some point, but my goal is not to send myself. My goal is to open up space for humanity and ultimately set us on a path to becoming a spacefaring civilization and a multi-planet species." Musk also expressed his admiration for other space entrepreneurs like Richard Branson and Jeff Bezos, who are also investing in space advancement. He believes that humanity should aspire to be a spacefaring civilization and explore the stars. This dream is not just about personal ambition, it's about ensuring the long-term survival of humanity. At this point, you might be wondering, why Mars? Why not any other planet or moon in our solar system? Musk has addressed this question himself during a presentation at the 67th International Astronautical Congress in Mexico. According to Musk, our options for becoming a multiplanetary species are limited. Venus, for example, is a high-pressure, hot acid bath, making it an unsuitable choice. Mercury is too close to the Sun, and while the moons of Saturn or Jupiter are intriguing, they are too far away and harder to reach. This leaves us with Mars, which, according to Musk, is a lot like Earth. Mars has a similar day length, seasons, and a variety of terrain. While it's not exactly a second Earth, it's the best option we have for creating a sustainable human colony. Musk envisions Mars as a new home for humanity, a place where we can build a thriving civilization and ensure our species' survival. Now that we know why Mars is the prime candidate for colonization, let's talk about terraforming. Terraforming is the process of deliberately modifying a planet's atmosphere, temperature, surface topology, and geology to make it more Earth-like. Musk has some bold ideas on how to achieve this on Mars. One of Musk's most talked about ideas is to terraform Mars by exploding nuclear bombs over its polar caps. He believes that the heat released from the explosions would evaporate the frozen carbon dioxide, creating a greenhouse effect that would warm up the planet and melt the water ice. While this idea might sound shocking, Musk assures that the radiation wouldn't be an issue since the explosions would occur in space near the poles. The goal of terraforming Mars is to create a more hospitable environment for human life. By warming up the planet and potentially creating liquid water, we could transform Mars into a place where humans can live and thrive. So why is Musk so determined to make humanity a multiplanetary species? The answer lies in the existential threats that our species faces. According to Musk, humanity is currently a monoplanetary species, meaning we live and die on Earth. This makes us vulnerable to both internal and external threats. External threats, like asteroids, pose a significant risk to our survival. Just as an asteroid collision wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, a similar event could have catastrophic consequences for humanity. By establishing colonies on other planets, we create a safeguard against such external threats. Internal threats are equally concerning. Musk has often spoken about the dangers of a potential World War III and the devastation it could cause. Nuclear war, in particular, poses a severe risk to human civilization. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence could lead to unforeseen consequences that might threaten our survival. Musk believes that to secure our future, we must not only prepare for these threats but also take proactive steps to ensure humanity's long-term survival. Becoming a multiplanetary species is a crucial part of this strategy. To achieve his vision of making humanity an interplanetary species, Musk is investing heavily in building the Starship rocket with SpaceX. This advanced spacecraft is designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. Musk's goal is to have humans on Mars by the year 2026, a timeline that reflects his relentless drive and ambition. But Musk's dreams don't stop at simply getting humans to Mars. He envisions a full-fledged, self-sustaining colony on the Red Planet. This colony would be capable of producing its own food, water, and energy, ensuring its independence from Earth. Musk acknowledges that there will come a time when ships will stop arriving from Earth, and the Mars colony must be self-sufficient to survive. One of the most significant external threats to humanity is the possibility of an asteroid collision. These celestial bodies have the potential to cause widespread destruction, much like the event that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Musk warns that a similar catastrophe could occur, and humanity must be prepared to face it. On the other hand, internal threats like nuclear war pose a significant risk to human civilization. Musk has expressed concerns about the potential for a third world war and the devastating consequences it could bring. He believes that the development of artificial intelligence could also pose risks if not carefully managed. These internal threats highlight the need for humanity to expand its presence beyond Earth. Creating a self-sustaining colony on Mars is no small feat. It requires meticulous planning, advanced technology, and immense resources. Musk envisions a colony that can produce its own food, generate power, and recycle water. This level of self-sufficiency is crucial for the colony's survival, especially if contact with Earth is lost. Musk's Starship rocket is at the forefront of this ambitious plan. Designed to carry large numbers of people and cargo, the Starship will play a pivotal role in establishing and supporting the Mars colony. Musk believes that building a thriving civilization on Mars is within the realm of possibility, and he's committed to making it happen. Elon Musk's vision of making humanity an interplanetary species is as bold as it is inspiring. By setting his sights on Mars, he aims to secure the long-term survival of our species and open up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. Musk's dedication to this cause is evident in his relentless pursuit of innovation and his willingness to invest billions in space advancement. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the significance of Musk's vision. His efforts remind us of the importance of thinking beyond our current limitations and preparing for the future. Whether you agree with Musk's ideas or not, there's no denying the impact of his work on the world of space exploration. So, what do you think? Should we follow Musk's lead and strive to become an interplanetary species? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things Elon Musk, SpaceX, and beyond. See you in the next one, and until then, peace out.